Hello everyone, this is lecture 2 of chapter 4, that is using Python library. In this video you will learn about module, how we will use predefined module and the implementation of predefined module in our Python program. Okay. First of all, what is module? As I told you in video 1, the module is a act of partitioning a program into individual component. Okay, that is called modularity. And as you know, module is a separate unit in itself. Okay, actually module is just a py file. It is just a Python file which contain Python functions, variable, classes. Okay, means whatever program we are making, and if we are saving that program by using .py file, that we called module. Okay, but whatever code fragment we have to write in that Python file, that code fragment must be executable code. Okay, and then only we can access that module in another program. Got it? Now see, these are some methods to import modules in our Python program. Okay, first method is Python import statement. Here you have to write import keyword, then after name of the module. Here math is the name of the module. Okay, if you are using this statement, then how you will access the functionality of the module? You have to use module name dot operator and the function name of a particular module. Here I am using power function of math module. Okay, the second method is import with renaming. We can rename the module name. How? Here what I have written this statement, import math as empty. Now math module is renamed as empty. Now you will access the functionality of math module by using the reference of math, that is empty. Here I'm accessing POW function of math module by using empty name. Okay, now next, third one, Python from import statement. From name of the module, import keyword, and the functionality. If we have to access particular functionality of any module, then this statement will be useful. Okay, like we have to use only one functionality, that is POW, power functionality, then we can use this statement. The difference is that here you have to not use, there is no need to use math module name while accessing the functionality. Okay, directly you can access the functionality of module what you have mentioned here. Okay, the next one is import all the names, all the functionalities of the particular module. From math, import asterisk. If you are using asterisk keyword, okay, then you can access all the functionality of particular module without using the name of the module. When you are accessing the functionality, then there is no need to use the name of the module. See here, directly I am accessing this functionality POW. Okay, now see the implementation of these. Now see, first statement, import, I am using math module. Okay, if we have to access this module, what we have to use the module name math dot pi is also the function of math module, or you can say pi is also the name of functionality of math module, so we can access pi also. See here, this they are the functionality: pi, POW, radians, sine, sin h, sqrt. Many functions are there in math module, you can access. Okay, pi 1 I am using pi. B is equals to mat dot POW. First one is expression, second one is power, 2 raised to the power 3 it means. Okay, and I am going to print it. Print A comma B. Okay, F5 PG 4 suppose dot py. Okay, I'm written wrong here, math, math. F5. Okay, now see, pi is accessed here, as well as POW function is also accessed here. Okay, now second statement: import math as m. Now what you have to do? Now you have to access the functionality of math module by using the reference name, that is m. See, by using m, now you can access the functionality of particular module. See here, correct? Now the third statement is from math import pi. Only I am accessing pi functionality of math module. See what will happen. Print pi. I'm not using module name here while accessing. Directly I'm accessing pi here. Okay, see the output. Okay, got it. Now the fourth statement: from math import asterisk, means import all. Okay, now we can access all the functionality of the math module without using module name while accessing. Like print pi, like print power, like print sqrt of 9. I am accessing three functionality here: pi, power, and s square root. Three functionality I am accessing here without using module name at the time of accessing. Okay, see the output. See, all three functionality has been accessed. Okay, So this method is the best method to access the functionality. Okay, if you are using asterisk, then you can access any functionality of a particular module, and while accessing the module, you have no need to give the name of the module with dot operator. Okay, so this is the best practice when you are going to access the functionality of any module. Okay, so in this video you have learned the uh, predefined module and how we will access the predefined module, how we will access the functionality of predefined module. Okay, in next video we will see how we will create user defined module and how we will access user defined module in Python program. Till then, goodbye and have a great day.